Hello everyone, welcome to another Payoneer tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy USDT with Payoneer. Now, this is a very simple how you can do it. The first thing you need to have is you need to have a banks and cards here. Go to Payoneer card. Here, you need to be able to have a Payoneer card. So, you basically need to be able to order a Payoneer card once you received payments of at least $100, right? Or equivalent to your account in the previous 6 months. If you did this, then you will be able to get your Revolut card or get your Payoneer, card. Then once you get your Payoneer card, then you'll have to go to Binance, go to buy crypto, go to credit and debit card. Obviously, you'll need to set here how do you want to buy. We want to buy with euros or dollars, and then just click on credit and debit card, and that's pretty much it. You will be able to go and buy USDT with Payoneer. That's basically it, right? It's very simple. All you have to do is have a Payoneer card. That will be probably the most difficult thing, right? If you haven't used Payoneer, right? If you have used Payoneer and you got like $100 or equivalent received payments, then you will be able to use a Payoneer card to buy crypto on Binance, Revolut, whatever you're buying crypto basically. So that's basically how it works. If you have any question or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.